guys! Hello! Codem tayo ngayon guys. Tandaan niyo ba yung Codem series ko guys? Tandaan niyo ba yun? Natatandaan niyo pa ba? Siyempre hindi na, matagal na ako din nag-upload. O sige, mag-upload tayo. Sige, para kayo mo. Wow. 2 games lang to guys. Kasi nanonood kami ng horror movies guys. Wow. Codem. Nag-record ako to. Pakinggan niyo yung boss na kapogi kong kaibigan. Lolo. Uy! Playing.
Level ako.
Gamer siya guys. Magkalaban yung laro namin. Pero magkaibigan kami. Kaibigan kami. Mamin ka na eh. Wala. At yung dating pang-out day ka, yung nauna kang singing, ganyan ko lang siya. Pero nag-upgrade mo to guys. Let's go, Dahil na ako guys. Ito. No. Ito pala. Ako dito. Hindi ko na-close. If anyone did, I'd be losing you. Ukoy pala, tanga. Kaya pala ako, no?
Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Target's in sight.
Isang game lang pala. Isang game.
taken the lead. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Pre, may music, pre.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
May spot na, pre. Wow, lakas niya.
They've taken the lead. Sniper down. Predator missile inbound. Online.
Uy, Lord. Panalo tayo.
Enemy contact.
Bye. Hindi yung OMB. Ang dami kasi tayo ng OMB.
Hello everyone, I'm Vladimir Magallanes, also known as Daddy Diary PH po.
Nice work. Well done.
Hindi guys. Goodbye.